Recording. We'll create one more example based on CSS by ID only. ID and class combination of both. We'll get some more idea. Okay, so create one more example. Maybe you can give example 2.html. There we can write something combination of CSS by ID and class. Just one simple example. So we can go to the same folder, internal CSS folder. There we can write example 2.html, and inside this we can use the ID and class combination. We can do something head, and under the head we will follow the style. Now we'll go to the body directly. Under the body part we can create a division. ID equal to header, then one more class equal to something my block, because we want to create 3 blocks with a similar look. So we have given the class. 3 blocks we wanted to clear with a similar look. So we created the class, and one block, one division should be different. So for that we created the ID. So it is here. Block 1, block 2, block 3. Ready? Now write the CSS for header. Inside the header, padding should be 30 pixel. Background should be orange color. Color of the header, text color, green color. Text align, center. Text align center. Font size, 40 pixel. Now header will come. Check now. One header will be ready on the top. Now 3 more block we have. For this also you can give margin 1%. It will give equal gap from all the side. Now can write a CSS so that this bottom 3 blocks should come in one line with the equal height width. So first you have to write some gap. Example margin given 1%. Next 3 blocks should come one by one. So for that float we given. Next after that there should be width 31.33%. Why 31.33%? Because already 1% margin we have given.
Sorry, sir, Subhasis here. Not my block, it should be an ID. That should be class equal to my block, right?
This you can write as ID. ID can replace as a class. It should be class. dot is written, then it should be class. With 31.33% and 1% margin, 1% left, 1% right, will become how much? 33%. Next, after that, text align, center, font size. Similar, we can write 30 pixel, color, orange, background, green. Float left is already added. Margin, float, width, text align, font size, color, background. Now we can run this. It should give 3 blocks in one line, but height is not there. Height also required to add. Height 300 pixel. Three hundred height will come for each block, and it will fit like this. This text, if you want to bring in the center, left to right is already in the center. Vertically also, if you want to bring in the middle, you have to apply the padding. For example, height we are given 300, we can reduce to 150 or maybe 200 we can give height, and from top we can give padding top, padding hyphen top, padding top 100 pixel. So from top 100 pixel, gap will get applied inside the container, and then the text will appear in the middle, something like this, something like this. It's not exact middle, we can reduce little height, then it will come in the middle. So 100 from top and 200 this one. So how to bring in the middle now? Nearly 150 if you give height, then it will come in the middle. 150 height and padding top 100 pixel. So it is in the middle. Horizontal and vertical both the way. So these three look same. So we have created the class. Okay. Now below we'll create two more block based on class only. Check once working or not. Let's come down below. Create two more block with the division class equal to info and one more class as a info. This is from left info and this is from right info. Left info and right info. So here we are going to create two block only, one block in the left side and one block in the right side. But this is also based on class only. Can you write some CSS for info block? Two blocks should appear in one line. Hope you're writing. Write a class for info. Try making two block, one block in the left, one block in the right. Anyone? At least write something. Yeah, until unless you not write how it will work.
Yes, it is done, sir.
Tell me the code once.
So dot info.
You can share the code at me.
Can I share? Oh.
Okay, so it look like this. Come to the next method. Next method is CSS for tag group. Like for multiple tag, how to apply the common CSS. Example 3.html. Go inside. Suppose we write a tag. Here, paragraph tag. This is from p tag, division tag. This is working. One label tag. Label for a small text. Next, ULLI. ULLI. Okay, next after that, one section tag. Section is here. Now for UL, we'll write a ID called nav, NAV. For section, we'll write ID, not ID, let me write as a class container. Now come to the CSS. Write the CSS for H1, comma, paragraph, comma, div, comma, label, comma, hash, nav, comma, dot container. Okay, dot container. So how many tags you mix together? 4 tags, 1 ID and 1 class. Now for this all, we will combine a CSS. For this all, we'll combine a CSS called color equal to red, font size 20 pixel, font style italic. So what you will find for this, all the selector for paragraph, for division, for label, for nav, for container, for H1, for all the color will be red, font size will be 20 pixel, and font style will be italic. Okay, so multiple tag we can, multiple tag, multiple id, multiple class, we can keep separated by comma, and that will become a group of the tag, group of elements, group of selector. Okay, or you can say group of tag, group of elements, group of selector. And for all the group, apply the common property and value. Save now, check once. All H1 paragraph division, all are getting the similar feature. That is called a CSS by tag group. So in one page, there may be requirement, multiple place you want to apply the similar property. So for that, we can create a group, and for all the elements, the same property will get applied. This is called CSS by tag group. So we can copy this section and come to the developer guide and we'll add under the notes. That's what next we have CSS for parent and child tag. So while writing the CSS, how can you make one tag as a parent, remaining tag as a child? So create the next file, example4.js. Example code.html, not JS. You will open close. So you will become as a parent tag. So the li will become as a child tag. For li also follow some a tag. href equal to my home. Next li product service contact login. Let's go inside. 3 li you can copy from here, paste after this. Suppose I wrote call h2 li without ul. Now we can write the CSS here. A. Then for A tag, if you apply a color red and font hyphen size 30 pixel, text decoration none. Text decoration is for what purpose? To remove the underline. Text decoration none means underline will get removed. text decoration none, that represent underline will get removed. Now after that, if you check it, you will find in current page, whichever the A tag is there, all the A tag will have a font size of 30 pixels. 30 is more, you can reduce to 20. Check now in current page. In current page, all the A tag will convert into red color and text decoration will get removed, underline will get removed. See, it's happening for all. It's happening for all. Now, what is our requirement? Our requirement says this red color and underline should get removed for those E tag, that is under the li. So you can see bottom is also under the li and upper portion is also under the li. If I write here li as a parent, space a, so a become as a child and li become the parent. A become the child and li become the parent. A become the child and li become the parent. Now still it will apply for all the A tag because everywhere A is under the li. Li is the parent of A tag. If I see here, still it will apply. Applying. Next we have call. Suppose if I address like this, ul space li. Bottom li are not part of the ul. So what will happen? Your compiler will not reach till the last li. It will only reach to the first li only, li and A tag. Because li we have given the li, parent should be ul, and that structure must present in our page. Li, parent should be ul, and under the ul, it should follow this structure. So you are trying to address to A tag only, but not all A tag, only those A tag that is under the li, and li should be under the ul. You can see now. It is happening for upper person, upper A tag, it is not happening for lower A tag. So this you can say ul become as a parent, li become as a child, and a become the last child. Now we will apply for li tag. So we will say as a li display in a line, display in line. So come in the same line, and for li apply the padding 15 pixel. 15 pixel. So li will live inside 15 pixel of the gap. But it will happen for all the li. We want to apply only for the those li that is following the ul. So we can give here name of the parent element as a ul. Okay, check now. So what happened now? It's apply the CSS not for all the li, not for all the ul, not for all the e tag. So it will follow the structure. Only those a that is under the li. Only those li that is under the ul. Here also same structure. Here also same structure. Now follow the some CSS for ul tag. By default, E tag will come in green color, blue color and underline. By default, E tag will come in blue color and underline. UL padding 15 pixel, background, green color you can give. Okay, now for UL, background will be green color and padding will be how much? Padding will be 15 pixel. Okay, already check now. It happen like this. Under E tag, you can give color as a white in beginning. White. Green, white will be good combination. Something like this. Right? So pretty like this. So this become as a navigation. Some gap you can see surrounding the page everywhere. You can see left side, top, right. There is some gap. That gap is 8 pixel gap. That gap you can remove by writing for the body tag as a for body margin 0 px. Hope ready? You can see now the gap is gone. There is no gap now. So this method you can say CSS by parent tag and child tag. At the place of UL, there can be ID also. It is not like only tag name will come. Here it will be ID also, and it can be class name also. It can be n number of label. There is no limitation in that. Okay. Next, we will copy this two section and we'll paste in developer guide. Okay. Next, after this, we will create a final template where we will combine all ID, class, tag name, tag group, and it may look better. Create next file called template1 .html. In template1, from example number 4, you can copy paste everything. Navigation will be same. From previous file, you can copy everything and paste here. We'll keep navigation same. Okay, after keeping the navigation same, under the UL tag, the background is green, change to black. Background is green, change to black. So what will happen is this page will appear in black color. Check now template one how it look. Navigation is coming in the black color. After navigation, we will write a section tag, and for this section tag we will give one ID. We'll give one ID equal to home. H1 welcome home. Write one more ID below, one more section tag, ID equal to about. H1 about us. Write one more section tag, ID contact. Contact us. Okay, so 3 links we have given. Let us now we will write the CSS for all 3 sections. Home we have convert into my home. Product we will convert into about us. Service will convert into something. We'll cut the service from here and we'll post after the contact. In sequence, home about contact. Home about contact. Hope ready. Run this file. This look like this. home, about us, contact us. Now let us go to the home part. Write the CSS for, okay, and you can write one more CSS here for the li, a kind of hover effect. So we'll write here inside the UL there is a li colon hover. Hover is what? Hover is a, okay, inside the UL there is a li colon hover. So hover effect will get fire. You can see you have written one more place here UL and li. One more place we are writing the UL and li. So this first UL and li will execute. The first UL and li will execute at the time of page loading. When your page will load, at that time, when the page will load, at that time, at that time, okay, at that time, this UL li will execute. When the page will execute, at that time, this UL li will execute. Okay, when this UL li will execute, when this hover effect will get fired. When this hover effect will get fired, when the user will touch the li by mouse. When the user will touch the li by mouse. Okay. Now what to do in that? Change the background of li to, by default, there is no any background. Background is for the UL. Background is for the UL. For li, there is no any background. So background for li will keep as a blue color. Blue color. So when you touch by mouse, the background will convert into blue. Let me show you. This ULLI execute at the time of page loading, whereas bottom ULLI will execute when we touch by mouse. When we touch by mouse. See here. See happening. When we touch by mouse, then background is getting changed to different color. For li 15 pixel, we are given the gap. For UL also 15 pixel. For li, you can increase to 17 pixel maybe. 2 pixel extra. It's leaving some space from surrounding. It should not leave. It should cover full. I think one more pixel extra is required. 18 pixel. 18 or 19 maybe will fit. It's okay now. It's covering complete li. So add this. UL and li. UL of li padding is a 15 pixel. And when the mouse will touch the UL and li, when the mouse will touch the UL and li, background will become which color? Blue. Okay, now come down. Write the CSS for this home. So there is a hash home. Inside that, padding 100 pixel. Okay, height 400 pixel. Background blue color. Color white color. Text hyphen align center. Okay, padding, height, background, color, text align. Now, if I run my file, I should see the background being in the blue color and it's covered nearly this much of area. There is some gap here. This is because of UL tag. So under the UL, at this place, you can write margin 0px. Margin 0px. That gap will go. Margin 0px, if you write here, that gap will get removed. Okay, ready? Check now. So this is like this. When we go to the li through the mouse, it will look like it's a connecting. Background of upper section and background of lower section. We will be creating the single pager application tomorrow. Once you click here, click on these links. The page will be same. This content will scroll up down. When you click on home, home will come here. When you click on about, this about will come up at this place. Same page will go scroll up down, scroll up down. So that will be the tomorrow task. Hope till here it is working. Right? I will share you this code. See you tomorrow again. Template one file. So hope it is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow again. Okay, so this is the file that we have worked on. Array tree structuring we have seen using the use state we have followed.